Okay, I've got a couple of questions here. I've got Kyle has asked, with regards to telehealth, which platform would you recommend looking into for healthcare companies? Yeah, this is one I mentioned earlier. It's really difficult because your insurance and your professional indemnity relies on you taking certain risk mitigations. Obviously, the key thing to know is everything can be hacked, as I said earlier, and so you should look at some of the you should look at some of the recommended platforms from the APRA, who do have a couple of platforms they recommend. I can't tell you to directly go and use CoView, but I have heard that that's one of the platforms that is telehealth friendly, and is recommended.